We will start the press conference shortly. We should be able to start in a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, thank you everyone for joining. And as always, do drop in your questions in the chat box, please. And we will have those answered by our assistant coach.
Suprita.
Okay, superb. Kev, bye, good afternoon.
Hi, afternoon everyone.
Okay. I hope all of you who have joined in, I hope you can all hear us and clear us clearly. Kev bhai, we'll start. We have some members of the press who have joined in, और उनमें से कुछ लोगों ने हमें questions already भेज चुके हैं. So let me start with that. Avinash from MyKhel, उन्होंने दो सवाल पूछे हैं. Let's start with the first one, which is looking back to the previous match actually, and he asks. We saw the Delhi Capitals team succumb to quality bowling from KKR. Which are the areas in which the batting lineup would be aiming to improve for the next match?
I think yes, batting has been okay. We didn't feel too much pressure because our bowlers has been doing a great job. We have done well in the bowling department. Batting needs to be consistent, needs to be a bit more firing, and we realized that in the last game probably you were 10-15 runs short batting first, so that's the plan going ahead. Hopefully we missed out Shaw, we missed out Stoinis, so it's like got a big gap to fill. They have been a very important member of the Delhi Capitals team, and injury is not helping us right now.
Right. In fact, since you mentioned Prithvi missing out on the last match, there is a question that's related to that. Rahul from Sportskeeda is in fact asked on what's the update on Prithvi and Marcus Stoinis.
Yeah, they both are getting better. In fact, Shaw had a hit in the nets yesterday. Stoinis started to run a bit. We'll be taking a call tomorrow before the game how Shaw feels, but Stoinis still got probably few matches to go from here on, I guess.
Right. Okay. This one has come in from a couple of people. It's on the same issue. Avinash from MyKhel and Nikhil from Cricinfo have both asked Kev bhai on your views on the Ashwin and Morgan incident from the previous match.
Ashwin and Morgan, even if I go back to the World Cup when England won, even though बैट्समैन रन लेना नहीं चाह रहे थे, बट जो नियम जो रूल के तहत वो उनको बाउंड्री मिली. पर आई थिंक there is gray areas in the law. We have to work it out, either yes or no. अगर बैट पे बॉल लग के बाउंड्री जाती है या वो थ्रो होता है तो बॉल डेड कर दो, या बॉडी पे लगती तो भी रन अलाउ मत करो. ऐसे कुछ नियम बनने चाहिए, क्योंकि ये a bit confusing for the players because someone is following the rule and they think they are within the rights by taking extra run. I think ICC and probably those who are the decision makers sit down and chat about it and make it like yes or no. There's lots of gray areas. Players are still trying to figure out.
Right. Okay. Next one is from Anuj from ANI, और उनका question है, since DC has almost qualified for the playoffs, can we see some new faces in the playing 11?
No. We have not qualified. We have not qualified. In the IPL, funny things happen, and we are very much aware of it. We have to, keep playing. You have to keep getting better. There are always areas to improve. Even though you win the game, even though you are sitting at the top of the table, at the second position, but you have to keep working hard. IPL is the toughest tournament to win. So we realized that last year we reached the finals. We missed out in the finals, losing to Mumbai. But I think we very happy the way we've been playing. Very happy the way we have performed so far. First phase of the IPL in India, and now also we've started well, losing last game, but overall it's been good. But no, you first you want to play your best team all the time.
Got it. Okay, let's take the next one. This is question from Gokul, and Gokul's question is, according to you, how important is it for a franchise to have quality Indian players for a successful IPL campaign?
Yeah, that's the key, I guess. That's the key. We are quite lucky to have some quality players, Indian players, and lucky to have lots of international, those are playing for India at the moment. So, great to have those guys around. That's always going to be a key factor to win the IPL. If you have 7 players who are currently playing for India, most of them, we are, as a coaches, we feel lucky. We got maybe a bit a less pressure compared to other team, because players have been playing the IPL before. They know their roles, they understand their responsibility, and they have their career on the line. They know if they don't do well, they'll be missing out in the future. IPL is such a great platform for everyone. They come and they want to perform, win matches. We have seen so many players getting picked for India just because they have done well in the IPL.
Okay, moving on to tomorrow's match. This question is from Niharika from IANS, and her question is, what do you think is going to be DC's biggest challenge against Mumbai Indians?
Biggest challenge to put runs on the board. Whenever we lost games against these guys, we haven't been doing well with the bat. So our goal would be, get runs on the board and put them under pressure.
Right. And if I could ask a follow-up question to that, Delhi, of course, will be coming off a loss. Mumbai has had
for that question, I want to go behind about Mumbai Indians.
Yes.
To bat or ball, whatever we do, we should be, should be able to bat well, either chase or bat first.
All right. There is, I think there was a follow-up question, but the fact that Delhi is coming off a loss, Mumbai has had a bit of an unusual season so far, but they also had a win previously, and they have that winning momentum. Does that make a difference? This is always a matchup that is always highly talked about and discussed.
Yeah, that's true. Mumbai is a great team to play against. All the other players get so excited because they want to play against Mumbai Indians. That sort of environment we have created. We want, if you want to win the IPL, you have to beat the team, the likes of Mumbai Indians and KKR. Those teams have been doing well. CSK, we realize that very well. If you want to win the cup, we have to beat all these teams. And there's no hiding in the IPL. You have to go out there and perform and play well on the day. And so far we have done well. So far we are able to play as a team. We have performed collectively. We have so many match winners, raising hands in different days, different situations. So lucky to have all those match winners, and hoping that in tomorrow's game somebody will stand up and win the game for us.
Super. Okay, question from Shivani from CNN News 18. And her question is a word, Kevbhai, on the stress that the bio bubbles in which sport is being played at the moment, the kind of pressure it puts on players. And if there's any way you feel this could impact those who will be after this participating in the T20 World Cup as well.
Yeah, that's going to be the case. Some will feel more, some will feel okay, some will feel less. Some will feel no, it's a great opportunity. I'm the part of the IPL. I don't want to let this go. Doesn't matter. I'm able to go out there in the game and play matches. I'm lucky to have this thing going at the moment. Some will feel no, it's too tough. So that's probably the personal choice, and I respect that.
Okay. A word on the surface in Sharjah and the way it's played right now, because we're playing there again tomorrow. Last year around, big totals were being posted there. Even 200 was chaseable, but this looks like a new Sharjah where 140 or even 150 could be a winning score, and it's not easy to bat out there at all.
Yeah, it's a condition-based game. You know what you get on the day. Pitches has been slower side. It's been turning a bit. So high-scoring games has not happened so far. Last year it was a totally different pitch. Last year was a fantastic pitch. Not so much turn, nice even bounce. So you are able to play your shots, and that's why you saw a high-scoring game. People say it's a small ground, but I don't think it's a small ground. 70-meter. It's quite a good size, but just the pitches has changed this year. It's been a bit more slower side, on the slower side, and yeah. But my thinking is, you know, if you play on difficult pitches where you have where you find tough to score runs, that's the challenge. You know, team will win who they accept the challenge and score runs on the difficult pitch.
All right. I think yeah, that's about it. We've tried and taken most of the questions that are here and not repeated the ones that are similar. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining, and thank you, Kevbhai, also for your time. We will share the recording with you once we wrap this up. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks.
Thank you.